Since the last 1 year, Oklo stock has gained 454%. In this pre-market session of today, the 23rd of May 2025, it is up roughly 19%. So what lies ahead for Oklo stock or the company itself? You know very well that global electricity demand is rising rapidly due to expanding data center development and increasing consumption in emerging economies driven by economic growth. Amid this surge, the US leads in nuclear power production, contributing around 30% of global nuclear electricity generation, according to the latest World Nuclear Association report. To this end, it is imperative to mention that Oklo is developing next generation fast fission power plants called powerhouses. In particular, its Aurora Powerhouse product line is designed to produce 15 to 50 megawatt electric from recycled nuclear fuel and fresh fuel, with the potential to increase to 100 megawatt electric. Notably, in this month, Oklo completed borehole drilling for sites characterization work at the Idaho National Laboratory site for its Aurora powerhouse. This marked a significant step forward in the development and future construction of Oklo's first powerhouse. So, considering America's esteemed position in the global nuclear map and the recent progress Oklo has made in terms of constructing its Aurora powerhouses, its long-term growth prospects in the nuclear power generation market remains strong. However, there are some risks to consider. The company is yet to start generating revenues with its first Aurora powerhouse targeted for development deployment in 2027. One may not or should not expect it to deliver any solid top line performance in the near term. Meanwhile, Oklo continues to incur significant operating expenses to successfully deploy its powerhouses, which in turn have been putting downward pressure on its bottom line. So the company's odds of generating formidable revenues and profit remains slim in the near term, which might be a cause of concern for investors eyeing the stock. Okay, so a couple of other things. In conclusion, investors interested in Oklo should wait for a better entry point, considering its premium valuation. This is not a recommendation, so this is from Zax or something like that. Yeah, Zax. Yeah, but it's been doing well. Yeah, you can see that up, just meeting the resistance there. Yeah, missing the resistance based on what is going on right now in this pre-market session. So it's regardless of all of the facts, the fact that it is yet to start making money. It's not going to start making money next year. As a matter of fact, it's going to be, if anything, from 2027. The underlying trend of the stock is a bullish one. You can see that its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. So we have, in terms of extrapolation, what we're looking at right now is that this is not it hasn't taken cognizance of what's going on right now, so we're not really going to draw a lot of inference here. So we have a downward projection of 31.59. So before we go to the 4-hour chart, which is currently picking up data at the moment, which is reflecting what's going on right now, we have to just quickly dash to the weekly chart and see what's going on. On the weekly chart, we have upward projections. There is no. It's okay. Has just started to form its 50 200 week moving average, and it's bullish. So we have projections of upper projections here, nothing downward. 41. Let's see now. It has actually gained. It has actually. It's no longer an upper projection. It's a downward projection. You can see it's at 47.5. So we have a downward projection of 41.37. Upper projections 59.42, 75.46, 85.38. So let's get to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is currently reflecting what is going on right now. And we have extrapolations. So extrapolation is saying that extrapolation of its 3-day moving average, 3-period moving average is that yeah, it's going to continue to, it's going to remain strong, but when the market opens, it may decline may decline, and that decline may take it into Tuesday. Tuesday is Tuesday the 27th of May, the opening session, opening hours, and then after that, it may continue to, it may resume the uptrend. So there's no guarantee that any of these projections, any of these extrapolations will happen. So in terms of projections, what do we have? We have let's see now, what's the current price? The current price is yeah, it is just right. There is a resistance that is at play here on the 4-hour chart, and is also at play, was at play on the daily chart. So there's a resistance it is dealing with here. It's around $47, roughly $48. So that's where it's right. It's wedged at right now. So so that's that projections we have now. 47.69. You could call it a okay. Yeah, it's just a projection, just right where it is right now. And then we have a slight upper projection. 47.69 is a slight upper projection. When we have 52.72 and then 55.84. You know. So the extrapolation by Thursday the 29th is for 48.60. 48.60. There's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. You know, we can quickly have a look at its market grid to see where things are on this 4-hour chart, to see where it's trading, where it's to give us an impression whether it's how volatile it has been of late. Okay, we can see it seems it's right inside its market grid. So the current price is 47.5. So it's yeah, it's neutral right now. It's neutral, right in between the resistance and support zones. So the implication of this is that you may well decline, or you may well continue to. It may well decline or spike, or continue the contraction of the volatility expansion that has seen it to this sort of level. Remember also that this is it has actually added another 19% from 7.9% it added yesterday. So if you like, it has yeah, it has added. So we're talking about a lot has since occurred. So yeah, so that's a decent amount of expansion. So it's contracting it right now, going by the fact that it is right in between its resistance and support zones. So the extrapolation is saying that it will decline when the market opens today. So I don't think that will be out of place, but it may not. It may not happen as well. It may continue to even explode further up to the upside. So that's what's going on with Oklo at the moment. On here on Think and Swim, it is way outside of its price channel, so expect it to come back into the price channel. So we have projections. We haven't computed anyone, but we're going to rely on the ones here on Trading View based on the indicators we have. So we have 52.72, 55.84, and indeed also we have even much more bullish projections, much more ambitious projections on the let's see now, on the weekly chart. Yeah, really ambitious projections. We have 59.42, 75.46, 85.38. So see what you make of Oklo stock on the move in this pre-market session, up 19% roughly. And thank you very much for watching this video.